Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage your blocked contacts and reconnect with your friends easily. Let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you are on the main screen, which is usually the camera screen, click on the profile icon or this emoji located in the top left corner of the screen. Now that you are on your profile page, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Now this is where you will find all the options related to your Snapchat account, including managing blocked contacts. In the settings menu, scroll down until you reach the section labeled as Account Actions. Under this section, you will see blocked options. And this is where all the people you have blocked on Snapchat are listed. So click on Blocked to view the complete list. And here you will be able to see every user that you have blocked. Now to unblock someone, find their username in the list, and next to their name, you will see a cross icon. So go ahead and click on it. Snapchat will ask you to confirm whether you want to unblock this user. If you are sure, then click on yes to unblock them. Once confirmed, the person will be unblocked immediately, and they will be able to contact you again, but they would not be able to automatically add it back to your friends list. Now that you have unblocked the person, you will need to add them as a friend again to reestablish contact. To do this, click on the search bar at the top of the Snapchat home screen and type in their username. And once their profiles appear, click on Add Friend. And this will send them a friend request. And once they accept, you are connected again. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.